Want to create a serene, stunning freshwater aquarium that won't become an underwater war zone? Today, we're listing the top 7 tranquil freshwater fish ideal for your aquarium. Neon tetras, small, luminous, and packed with character. These small creatures flourish in clusters and bring a vibrant burst of color to any aquarium. They are calm, fun-loving, and ideal for novices. Coming up next, Corydoras catfish. Zrania, these charming bottom dwellers enjoy tidying up scraps and focusing on their own affairs. Maintain them in clusters of 5 or more and they will remain content and serene. Platies are vibrant, simple to maintain, and are friendly with nearly all species. They are live bearers, so don't be shocked if your tranquil aquarium suddenly has fry. Harlequin rasboras are peaceful, social fish featuring stunning copper hues. They're very sociable and enjoy swimming together in harmony. Perfect for a tranquil community aquarium. Guppies add a vibrant splash and energy to your aquarium, but without the fuss. Simple to maintain, infinitely tranquil, and perpetually captivating. Mollies are calm, resilient, and brimming with character. Simply ensure you provide them with some room and clean water, and they will flourish. And in the top spot, the pearl gourami. Graceful, serene, and richly distinctive. These gentle giants of the serene aquatic world make perfect focal points for any aquarium. So whether you're just starting out or upgrading your community tank, these peaceful freshwater fish are the perfect companions for a stress-free aquarium.